Sam, who is that? Is that Balloon? No, just one balloon. He wants all of those. He has this one. Can you give him a kiss, Sammy? Can you give your balloon a kiss? Say, I love you, Balloon. I can't catch him, Mom. I'm trying to catch him and give him a kiss, and I can't. I just can't catch him. So, oh, there you go. There you go. Give him a kiss, Sammy. Oh, that's nice. Oh. Your hair's getting a little staticky, Sam.